Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm showing you how I made this delicious homemade cupcake for my family. They are easy, fun, and absolutely scrumptious, perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. First, let's gather our ingredients: flour, sugar, eggs, margarine, vanilla essence, baking powder, milk, and any flavor that you would like to add. I'll also show you a little trick to make this extra moist. As we continue, let's start by blending all these ingredients. Guys, note that I'm using icing sugar, but you can also use the normal sugar. As you can see, because I don't have a mixer, I'll blend all my wet ingredients in the blender. When you are blending, you keep switching off and switching off for them to mix properly. And now it's time to mix the dry ingredients and wet ingredients separately before combining them into a smooth batter. Then carefully pour the batter into cupcake liners and start baking for 18 to 20 minutes or until they are golden brown and toothpick comes out clean. The smell is heavenly. I'm using all-purpose flour. If you have the other flour, you can also use it. As you can see, I'm adding baking powder, I'll add salt, and also add the other ingredients after I'm done blending. Guys, I wanted to have two flavors of my cupcake. I wanted to have a chocolate cupcake and a vanilla essence cupcake. So I'm adding the hot cocoa, which is drinking chocolate, and also the other bowl has vanilla essence. I got my baking tin in town. You can also get the cupcake, I don't know how they are called, in town. I bought 100 pieces for 95 shillings. So you can check them out in your nearest supermarket. While doing this, make sure you preheat your oven before putting all your cupcakes inside. Then you will bake them for 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees. You put the upper and lower heat. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more family-friendly recipe. Share your cupcake creation with me in the comment section below. See you next. After 25 minutes, our cakes are ready Then leave them to cool. Before leaving them to cool, make sure you've removed them from the baking tray. Then now leave them to cool, and you can take them later.